Hello and welcome to another online business realm video. Today we are going to be showing you how to buy Verge, a cryptocurrency. So why would a person want to buy Verge? Well, the focus of Verge, as you can see directly on their website here, is it is a secure and anonymous cryptocurrency built with a focus on privacy. As cryptocurrency has evolved, investigators, government, whatever the case may be, they have clamped down on tracking these cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin, for instance, now is trackable. It is starting to be regulated by the government, and I'm not technically savvy enough to tell you exactly how they track IP addresses with Bitcoin, but they are able to do it. So a new generation of coin has popped up, such as Verge, that offers security and complete anonymity. So I don't suggest using cryptocurrency for nefarious or underhanded or black market purposes, but I can see why people might want to keep their purchases anonymous. So the first thing you need to do in order to purchase Verge is you need to set up a wallet. So as you can see, for me, on the homepage, it popped up with the wallet that I would need. If that's not the wallet you need, simply go to vergecurrency.com/wallets and you will see a wide range of wallets you can get based on your operating system. So as you see up here, you can click desktop, mobile, other, or preferred as it's on now, and you'll see that if you have an Android, there actually is a mobile wallet for your device. If you have an iPhone or Apple product, then unfortunately you do not have mobile wallet access. So simply go to the preferred tab or whichever tab you would like and select your wallet and download it. Once you download your Verge wallet, it is going to look like this. It's very simple. I will tell you that sometimes this wallet specifically has some trouble syncing. You can see here there's a green button. Sometimes it's red. If you are having problems syncing your wallet, just go check out Reddit. There are a lot of threads on Reddit that will show you how to fix it. So now that we have our Verge wallet, we have somewhere to send our Verge, we just need to buy it. So the first step to buying Verge is going to your Coinbase account. So at this point, if you are interested in cryptocurrency, you probably have a Coinbase account. If not, I suggest signing up for it. You can buy Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin on here. We're going to be buying Ethereum today because some exchanges seem to favor Ethereum as opposed to Bitcoin. They'll make your exchange rates a little bit cheaper. So that's why we're going to use Ethereum to exchange for Verge today. So you'd simply go to the Buy Sell tab and click Ethereum and choose your payment method. You can use a bank or a debit card or even credit card. And then what you would do is you would just put your amount down here and then just hit buy Ethereum. So let's say I wanted to buy $200 worth of Verge. I would type in $200 here and then I would click buy Ethereum and then it'll automatically update with the amount of Ethereum and then simply just hit buy. So once you do that, your Ethereum is going to show up in your Coinbase account. So now you need to be able to buy your Verge. So the way you do that is on a website called Binance. It's BINANCE.com, just like finance, but with a B. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create an account here. Now, if you look right under this video in the information, you will see we have a link to take you directly to the register page to get you started. So once you're there, simply type in your email, password, and confirm your password. You don't really need a referral ID, and then just hit register. So once you have your account on Binance, it's going to look, your homepage is going to look something like this. Okay, so what you want to do from here to exchange your Ethereum for your Verge is go over here to Funds, hit Deposit Withdrawals. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to deposit Ethereum. So go to Ethereum and click Deposit. So it is going to give you an address right here. So you simply copy that address. You can Command or Control C it or just hit copy address right here. Okay, so you have your Ethereum address. Now you're going to go to your Coinbase account. You are going to click Accounts, go to your Ethereum wallet on the left side, and click Send. Once you click Send, you'll put in the address of the Binance Ethereum address that you were given. And then if you come down here, you can just hit Send Max, and it will send everything that you have. And then you scroll down and click Continue. Once this is done, your Ethereum has now been sent to Binance. It may take up to a couple hours for this Ethereum to actually hit your account. It may not. It may only take a few moments. So with Ethereum, it has to go through 30 confirmations before it hits your account. So once your Ethereum is in your account, over here in available balance, it will say, for instance, with our example of $200, 0.26 or whatever the current exchange rate is. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So what you want to do is you want to go to Exchange, hit Basic, and once you are here, all you will need to do is go over to the right side. If you look over here at this box right here, you'll see there's BTC, ETH, BNB, and US dollars. Obviously, this is US dollars. BNB is the Binance coin, so they have their own coin. BTC is Bitcoin, but we need Ethereum, so we're going to click ETH. So now we're looking at the exchange rates between cryptocurrencies and Ethereum. So what we want to do on this list is we want to find the exchange rate for Ethereum and Verge. To do that, we're going to go to the search bar. We're going to type in the symbol for Verge, which is XVG, and we're going to click on it. When we click on that, as you come down here, you'll notice it says Buy Verge. What you're going to want to do is click Market. That's going to lock in the price there. And you're going to type in however many Verge you want. So for about $200 of Ethereum right now, you would be able to get about 1,200 Verge. You can see what the max amount you can buy right here. As you see, I don't actually have any Ethereum in my account right now, so I can't buy any Verge. But right here, it will tell you the max amount. So let's say the max amount was 1,200. That would tell you the most you could buy. You could buy less than that and keep money in the exchange in exchange for other currency on Binance. So once you do that, you're going to hit Buy Verge. Obviously, as you see, I don't have any, so it's not going to go through. And after that, go up to the deposits and withdrawals page and click that. So I've already clicked on it here. And you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in XVG. And it is going to pop up here and it'll tell you your balance. So your balance would be in this situation 1,200. And what you're going to do at that point is you're going to hit withdraw. So now you need an address to send your Verge to. So you're going to go back to your wallet here and you're going to type in you're going to type new, or you're going to click new here. It's going to give you a new address up here. We would just, type Verge Exchange or Verge Binance, we'll call it. And then you're going to type in 1,200 here and then hit save. Now, once you hit save, at that point, you're going to copy this address here and then you're going to go back here to Binance. You're going to copy and paste that address in the withdrawal address bar right here. Type the amount. To send everything you have, you would just click max and then hit submit. And now your part in the exchange is done. It may take anywhere between a couple minutes all the way up to a few hours. In extreme cases, up to 24 hours before it's going to hit your wallet. But once it hits your wallet, it's all good and it's in there. So that is how you buy Verge. I highly recommend buying Verge. I think it's a great cryptocurrency. I think it's got a lot of potential. The price is low and I believe that the ceiling is fairly high for Verge. So it might be a good investment for you. So if you like this video, if you like other videos that we make explaining to you how to buy cryptocurrency, how to make money online, just internet marketing in general, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us so you can stay up to date with everything that we're doing here on the channel. So until next time, Get out there and make some money.